Okay, for your activity today, you are going to do the same thing we did in the video. So on Monday, you had 4 word problems, and I've just put them each on one page so that you are able to actually work on them. So the first one says a teacher gave each of the 27 students in his class 8 riddles to solve for homework on Thursday night. If all of the students solved all of the riddles, what is the total number of riddles the students solved? And on Monday, you had to create the strip diagram, so I went ahead and put it in here for you. Today, you are going to write your equation, and you are going to do an estimation. The second question says a nurse has 40 bandages in 5 plastic containers. She wants to divide the bandages equally among the containers. How many bandages should she put in each container? Again, I went ahead and put the strip diagram in here for you since you did it on Monday. Today, you're going to draw the equation, and you're going to do the estimate. The third question says that Gunther had $96. He mowed lawns all month long and earned $141. How much money does he have altogether? Again, I went ahead and put your strip diagram here. You are going to do the equation, and you're going to do the estimate. The final question says Ignacio has a total of 123 goldfish that he keeps in 2 aquariums. If he keeps 62 goldfish in the first aquarium, how many goldfish does he keep in the second aquarium? Now again, I went ahead and drew your strip diagram for you, and you are going to do your equation here and your estimate here. Remember, when you are completely finished, you're going to turn it into Google Classroom, and if you have any questions, ask your teachers. I'll see you later. Bye!